Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can update Visual Studio Code. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. First of all, if you don't have Visual Studio Code, you can open a browser and then you just need to write Visual Studio Code, and we probably click the first link here, and then as you can see here, you can download the latest version here. But if you already have Visual Studio Code, you just need to open up. Then once you open up Visual Studio Code, on the top there is a menu here. So what you need to do here is to press on help, and on this new pop-up window you just need to press on check for updates. And as you can see here, for me there is no currently updates available, but if for you may be here. And yeah, that's pretty much it what you need to do here if you want to update Visual Studio Code. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.